When people are under a lot of stress, many things bad can happen to their system. A lot of this is the result of cortisol. Now, when we're under a lot of stress, either emotional stress or true physical stress, like childbirth or surgical procedures or illness, you can get a condition called telogen effluvium. Telogen effluvium results when the hairs of your scalp, which normally cycle in their growth phases. Anagen is the growing phase, and then telogen is the resting phase where the hair actually gets shed and a new hair replaces it. But under conditions of stress, the anagen stage can be cut short and too many hairs can be triggered into the telogen phase at the same time. This can often result in clinically visible thinning of the overall hair and a generalized shedding. Often people will notice that they see their scalp a little bit more than they used to. So what can you do when you're under real stress to prevent telogen effluvium from causing your hair to fall out, which will cause you more stress? Well, one of the things that's very important to do is to watch your diet. I recommend that you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables because the nutrients that are in there are very good for hair growth and overall health and your immune system. Also, meat is good because of the iron. Iron has been found to help the hair grow. And the other thing that I'm doing is I'm increasing my dose of Nutrifall. Now, most of you all know that I've been on Nutrifall for a long time. I started it many years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, and I started with the full recommended dose. And I used it for about a year until I saw my hair doing what I wanted it to be doing. But then when it got there, I actually decreased my dose to a maintenance dose and was taking a half dose. But during these times of stress, as a preventative, I've increased my dosage back up to the usual dose of 4 per day. So what I want you all to do is to do everything you can now that you're prepared for coming back and having the world see you looking as beautiful as possible. So take your supplements, eat right, try to get enough sleep, meditate or pray, or whatever makes you handle stress better. And we'll see you on the other side of this pandemic crisis.